Certified AKTV. So today I'll be doing a quick introduction to WordPress for beginners. So with this WordPress, I'll be using Namecheap Cpanel to teach you guys how to install WordPress on your Cpanel and begin with the basic steps and everything you need. So basically what we'll be doing today in the Cpanel, we'll basically creating a subdomain. Thus we'll be using subdomain for this project. After creating the subdomain, we will now install WordPress. So basically, what is a subdomain? Subdomain is just a subdivision of your domain name. So what we'll be doing here is we'll name it learn. Then the root directory, that's the document root. We can change it to whatever we want, but we'll leave it as the default document root. So wait for it to create. It can take some minutes, a few seconds. Wait for it to load. Still loading. Okay. Yes, and we are done. So it will take some time for the HTTPS to install, but before then we need to continue with the installation of the WordPress. So we'll head on to the Cpanel homepage. From there we have what they call app installer. That's for softwares and other stuff. You can install other software in your Cpanel, but today we'll be doing WordPress. So head on to WordPress manager, then you click on install, and under the install we'll choose our installation URL. So installation URL we'll select the subdomain we created area on, then we'll choose the HTTPS. I told you guys it will take some minutes to install. So we'll just name it as learn WordPress intro. WordPress. Okay, let's leave it as the default information. Then the login information, I will just change it to something simple because this is just for the learning purposes. So you can see the enable multiple sites. We won't click that. We won't click this one as well. Then you can change the email to whatever you want to use. Then, and this is my favorite, then you can install the basic plugins you need for your WordPress website. So basically I will install the backup and the classic editor. But if you don't want to use the classic editor, you can actually try other WordPress default editors, which is the Gutenberg. Then you can also click this advanced option if you want to make any changes. You can change it. You can change the database name. You can change the table prefix in case you want to install other stuff under the same table prefix. So you can disable the auto upgrade for the WordPress plugin or themes. Basically, I would advise you to leave it on the auto upgrade. Then you can actually put the WordPress on auto upgrade as well, or you leave it. Then you can choose your backup location. Then you can choose not to backup. You can choose to backup once a day, once a week, or once a month. So what we'll do now, we won't basically install theme from here. We'll just install it directly. Then you can actually put an email address where the installer will email you with some of the information you need. So the next thing we'll do, okay, password strength must be greater than 80. Okay, I believe our password is weak. Okay, the thing we will do again is to try to make the password strong. So that's 90. Then you click on install. Then this may take 3 to 4 minutes. You do not leave this page, so we have to wait for the installation to take place. And the installation is done. So due to the delay in the SSL installation, we have to check if it will open. The WordPress has been successfully installed at our subdomain. Then this is our administrative URL. So we'll click on it. Then we wait. Due to the SEO delay, we can still move on and proceed without waiting for it to install. This is the basic WordPress dashboard for your WordPress. So before we dive into this, what is WordPress? WordPress is an open source content management system. It helps you create basically any website that is possible to create. You can create from blogs to business website to any other website that is not of high tech. You understand? So you can do basic websites and blog for yourself. So what we'll first check here is the update part here. With this update, this way you can see all your updates and all the stuff for your WordPress. You can reinstall your WordPress installation, then you can see your plugins as needs to be updated. Then you can check your themes as well. But since we updated the auto updates, I believe we won't be needing this part for now. So the next thing we'll be doing is heading to the permalink. The permalink structure is just like the URL structures of your posts and websites. So we'll try to set up that one for SEO purposes. So the permalink structure I normally like using is the post name. So we'll click on this one. We have the plain, which is just the normal basic permalink structure. We have the day and name, which is also nice if you want to use that one. Then we have the month and name. Then we have the numeric, which is not good for SEO. So I'll just go with this post name, but you can actually use the custom structure. Then you can arrange it the way you want to. Then you click on save, and the save is going on. Then the next thing you will need to do is come to appearance. So WordPress have what they call themes. This is what helps you bring out the design of your website, either for blogs or business website. You can see free templates here, or you can also check other platforms to download their premium plugin. Their premium themes. You click on add. So what theme are we going to use today? Okay, let's use the basic Astra. That's my favorite theme on WordPress. And you search for Astra, and you install your Astra. Wait for it to install, and you can activate it. And after the activation, you visit the front end to see how the Astra looks. Although it won't be designed for now, it will just be a basic Astra design. Then you can start by installing the starter template. Let's say you want to get a ready-made template that you want to edit for your project. You can actually head on to activating the starter template and checking out the design you need. Okay, we need to cancel this one. And we'll go to appearance. Wait for it to finish loading. Under the appearance, you go to starter template. And you select the page builder. The page builder we'll be using today will be Elementor. And you click on Elementor. Elementor is basically a page builder that helps you build your website easily. So for this project, the template we'll be doing a website for outdoor adventure. So you click on the outdoor adventure. That's the sweet part of the starter template, because with the help of the starter template, you can actually design a basic website easily. What you just need to do is choose the niche you want to design for, then install their demo theme. Then from there you can customize it easily. So you can see here in this place you can add your logo, you can customize the width and height, but I believe we will leave it the way it is. I just want to show you how easy it is for you to customize your website with Astra, or should I say WordPress. Here you can choose the color for the theme. You can choose any color you like, and you click on continue and submit and build your website. So your website is building right now. So with this simple step I just took, you have a simple website for your outdoor services. So let's wait for it to import all the necessary files it needs. So it's done, it's redirecting you, and congratulations. If you have made it this far, then you have done the first step of designing your website. Then you head on to the front page to check out the website. So that's just it. You can see the logo, you can see the menu bars, you can see the design, you can check the color we choose. So let's say you want to change some of the text on this website design now. All you need to do is click on edit with Elementor. Since it was Elementor we use for this practical, you click on edit with Elementor and you head straight, you wait for the Elementor to load for you to continue designing. So this is as easy as it can get for you to design a simple WordPress website. This is just a quick overview. There are other stuff you need to check out for WordPress. I just wanted to show you guys how to install WordPress on the Cpanel, then get a simple website up and running. And in case you want to check out how to design a simple website with Elementor, you can also check in my channel. I did few videos about Elementor. I designed a simple page with Elementor. So that's just easy. You can click here, then you can change the text to anything you want. It's as simple as that. Click on Ctrl Z. So we won't be doing much here. I believe that's it for the front end. You can change the images if you want to. You can actually delete it and try another design. So let's go back to the admin panel of WordPress. So let me show you guys how to add a simple blog post before we finish this part. So you click on all posts. Under the all posts you will have the simple demo hello from WordPress. You can actually edit this one, so we'll just go straight to edit this one and see how it goes. So let's view this blog post and see how it will look in the design. So you can see the hello world, you can see the default comments from WordPress, then you can also see a space to leave comments if you want to. So let's say you want to change this. This is WordPress introduction. Then we can change the permalink, or should I say the slongs for the website. For the blog post. You can paste it and click OK. So let's say you want to change the text information of your blog post. You can actually do that by editing it. You can paste. Let's say you want to make some part bold. You can click the B sign here. Let's say you have all the heading just like your normal Word document file. You can change some parts. You can reduce the parts you don't want. Then you can choose the category for your blog post. You can leave the uncategorized, then you click on update. Then you can actually check on the categories. category here helps you arrange your WordPress posts into segment and all the stuff. So before we leave, the next thing I will also be showing you guys in this quick introduction will be how to add or remove a menu document, your WordPress menus. So you head on to the appearance, then you click on menus. And this is the menu we have already. Let's check the home page, so we'll see how it looks before we make changes. So this is home, about us, and all those things. Then let's say we can take the contacts. Why is it not moving? Okay, it's still loading. Page is still loading. See, you can change the position of the menu, and let's save it, and let's head on to the front end and see how it is. So as you guys can see, I changed the arrangement of the menu position. So basically that's how to do a quick WordPress installation and quick changes from WordPress. So I believe if you need a full course on WordPress, how to do other stuff on WordPress, you can leave a comment below, then I can take another course on that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Certified AK signing out.